In this lecture, we are going to learn that how we can use ID attribute inside the anchor tag, and we will target some element on the same page. So let's start. Here now I'm going to create new file, and now I'm giving file name as target on same page dot html. And now here I'm going to create some basic skeleton of HTML, and instead of document I'm writing same page link. Now I'm indenting these lines of code here, and in between body tag, first of all I'm going to create one anchor tag here, and just after this I'm creating some paragraph elements, and inside that I'm typing some dummy text. So now I'm going to copy this paragraph and I will paste 10 to 12 times. Now at the bottom again I will create one anchor tag. So one anchor tag is on the top of the page and one anchor tag at the bottom of the page. So here I'm writing this one is top right now, and here this is bottom. Now I'm going to save this file. Now I'm running this file. Now here as you can see, this is top and this is bottom. I will paste some more paragraph. Now here as you can see, this is top anchor tag and this is bottom anchor tag. So what actually I want to do, if I will click here top, then it should go to the bottom, and when I will click on the bottom, then it should go to the top. So for that here I have to write bottom for understanding purpose, and here I will write top instead of bottom. Now see the result. Now this is meaningful. If I will click bottom, then it will go to the bottom. If I will click on top, then it should come on the top of the page. So how we can do this? For that here I have to use one attribute, that is ID. So here I'm going to give, here I'm giving ID attribute, and ID attribute value will be, this is the top. So here this is top anchor tag, so that's why I wrote here top, ID is equal to top. And for bottom anchor tag again I have to write one ID for identification, and for that I am writing here bottom. Now we have two ID for two anchor tag. For bottom anchor tag I have bottom ID, and for top anchor tag I have top ID. Now if I will click here on bottom, then it should go to the bottom of the anchor tag, and if I will click here on the top, then it should target the top of the page. So now if I will click here on bottom, then it should target the bottom ID, and if you are targeting bottom ID, the bottom is the ID name, then you have to add one prefix before the ID name, that is hash. So hash bottom means this is ID. So if I will click bottom, then it will target the bottom ID. And likewise here, if you are clicking on top, then this anchor tag should target the top ID, because here the ID name is top. So you have to write here top, and because you are targeting ID, that's why you have to use hash. Now see the result. If you will click on bottom, then it will target the bottom element. Now if you will click top, then it will go to the top. So bottom and top. So this is the ID attribute which can be used in the real time. If you are creating a single page website or web page and that is very long, then after scrolling, when you will click on the bottom anchor tag, then directly it will scroll on top of the page, or it will come on top. So for that you can use this concept in real time.